Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, what we are going to do is we are going to see how we can increase our productivity in coding. So basically, we are using some shortcut in on IntelliJ. So in IntelliJ, if we are uh, if you are clicking on command comma, you can go to the live templates where we are defining uh, our own shortcut. So if you are expanding the already existing shortcut, so this one C is actually uh, one. It's actually one shortcut. This is our inbuilt shortcut. If you click on else if, then it will add else if. So else for else if you don't need to write all the things, just else if will make, but that's a small one. For I is a better one, so it's automatically generate for I. Get static class name, get instance. Okay, so this one singleton method. Okay, so this is a singleton method insertion, and if you click on, if you need for each, you just need to type L, I guess. I don't know. On the same time, I can use this one. Otherwise, we can see what is going on here. So, uh, so iterate for each loop. Just type L and just press tab. That's it. If n, it will create a if statement, and if not, will create a in, it will create a if not. So there is another one for if there are a lot of varieties inst. So if instance of, okay, so for the instance of one, so for itar is also work for, I guess that includes some other varieties comparing to the for I. So for I and itra, for I you will only have the for loop. For this itar means it will have some other, yeah, assigning the array index into a variable. So that's also will happen on this one. Then while there are a lot of things, and PRs, public static final. Okay, so that's also a good one. So if you need to declare some variables, PRSF is a good thing. Public static final is another one. Public static final int is another one. So public static int, okay, static final int, public static final, another one. Public static final string is there. PSVM, public static void main. It's better on our own code, like trying some coding problems or something. That case is good. So iterate elements are in reverse order. So it will start from length -1. I don't know there is any use case for that, but system dot out dot system error dot println, and for system dot out dot println there is a lot of things. So print as a string, that kind of things is there. A string, there is a st1. Throw new, there is a thr, or this one, and here. So what I'm going to do is I need to create a new one, like template, and I need a abbreviation. So reformat with code, and I need to provide the abbreviation. So public static. So some of the cases public integer or public hash map. So ph public hash map is a good one. So PHM. So I'm make it as a PHM, and I will type what I need to be here. Public map. Okay, I just make a public map. So MP, PMP. So that's a better option, I guess. And here is the problem. I need to find what exactly happened here. So for I, you are putting some integers. So for iterate through string, iterate elements of array. So that's not a good one. I need something with string. Maybe this one will be okay. Let me check. Okay, I cannot do that one here. So okay, public map, and I need to provide the name thereafter. Okay, let's see whether it's gonna work here in this case. And I need to define. Need to choose the define. Then only it will go to the Java one. Okay, apply. Okay, then come here. Then pmap pmp and just type tab. So here you need to define your integer. Okay, then it will automatically pick integer and alt enter test. Okay, new hash map. So probably we can edit all of these things. So what I'm going to do is we'll go back to our place here, and I will modify this one with this one. So here we are putting this one. Okay. Then PMP will automatically come in, and you just need to type what you need, and after that alt enter. No, control enter, or I don't know, alt enter, option enter. Yeah, option. Yeah, just click on this one. Yeah, this is, yeah, option shift and enter for option shift and enter for option shift enter for this one. Okay, that's all for this video. So it's very easy and very yeah, very easy for to create shortcut, and it will make our productivity to go beyond, I mean, beyond our expected time. So basically it's increase our productivity. So try to create some shortcut, and try with the, yeah, with your existing IntelliJ shortcut. So the first thing you need to learn the existing shortcut, and the second thing, the creation is not that much bad. It's a very easy thing. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.